Welcome back, I'm Alison Shaw, and in this video, I want to introduce you to Spirit in a Lab Coat. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating area where science and spirituality truly meet, the neuroscience of belief. Have you ever wondered how some people seem to effortlessly attract abundance while others struggle? The answer lies in part within the very structure of your brain. Our brains are incredibly adaptable. This phenomenon, known as neuroplasticity, means that our neural pathways, the connections between our brain cells, are constantly changing based on our experiences, thoughts, and emotions. Think of it like a well-worn path in a forest. The more you walk that path, the clearer and easier it becomes to follow. Similarly, the more you repeat certain thoughts and emotions, the stronger those neural pathways become. Now, here's where it gets exciting for manifestation. If you consistently focus on thoughts and beliefs of lack, scarcity, or limitation, you're essentially reinforcing those negative neural pathways. Your brain starts to perceive these patterns as your reality. But the good news is you can rewire your brain for abundance. Scientific studies have shown that practices like meditation, visualization, and positive affirmations can actually change the physical structure of your brain. When you visualize yourself achieving your goals, you're activating the same neural networks that would be activated if you were actually experiencing those achievements. This creates new neural pathways that support your desired reality. For example, imagine you're visualizing yourself giving a successful presentation. Your brain doesn't necessarily distinguish between the imagined experience and the real one. It fires neurons and strengthens connections as if you were truly standing on that stage. Over time, this strengthens the neural pathways associated with confidence and success, making it easier for you to manifest that reality in your life. Furthermore, mindful practices like journaling and gratitude exercises can help you become more aware of your limiting beliefs and shift your focus to positive, empowering thoughts. By consciously choosing to focus on abundance, you're literally retraining your brain to see and create more of it. This isn't just wishful thinking. It's grounded in solid neuroscience. By understanding how your brain works, you can take control of your thoughts and beliefs and use them to manifest your dreams. And to help you get started on this journey, I'm thrilled to offer you my brand new 10-day free video course, Spirit in a Lab Coat. In this course, we'll dive even deeper into the science and spirituality of manifestation, providing you with practical tools and techniques to rewire your brain for abundance and create the life you truly desire. To access this free course, simply click the link below this video. You'll gain access to 10 powerful video lessons that will guide you step by step on your path to manifestation. Thank you for joining me on Spirit in a Lab Coat. Remember, your brain is a powerful tool for creation. Start rewiring it today and watch your dreams become your reality.